How to screen record on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and any other Samsung device. Just swipe down the notification panel from the top on your device and find the screen recorder option on your device. Here you can find the screen recorder. Tap on it. Now start recording with the screen recorder. Here you can see the details about you can record sound for non, media and mic. So select the option you want to use. Also enable show taps and touches. So when complete, tap on the start recording to start the recording screen on your device. Here you can see the details. Screen recorder will have access to all the info on your screen or play from your phone while recording. Though this include password, payment detail, so make sure your important details not show on the screen recording. Now tap the start recording to record the screen on your device. You can see countdown 3 to 1 and start the screen recording. Here you can see stop button, push button, also add contact like this. Here you can use your camera also, so quite helpful. Tap on arrow icon to go back, tap on it to get back again. You can also see the settings. Go to settings, tap on a push to push the recording on your device like this. So you can also see screen recording settings in the advanced feature. Tap on the advanced features. Here you can find the screenshot and screen recording. Tap on it to customize screen recording. Now bottom you can find the option screen recording. Make sure turn on it. You can stop also it. Here you can see the screen recording setting, record sound. Here select non, media and mic. You want to set video quality, set the high 1080 pixel, 720 pixel or low. Also selfie video size small, large you want to set as a selfie video size. Enable disable, so tap and touch and save the screen recording. Here you can select the screen recording or add the folder for record the screen on a device. So you can also customize screen recording setting using this. That's it. We can open the gallery on a device and you can find the screen recording at the top on your device. So here you can see the screen recording you record on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.